بریم برای دریافت کدهای تب سواب. سریع ترین راه برای دریافت کدهای تب سواب. قبلش کانال امیرجان رو معرفی میکنم. خیلی کانال خوبی هست، از لینک زیر میتونید دنبالش کنید. این کانال قبلیشه و یک کانال جدیدم ایجاد کرده ایشون. این کانال هست که میتونید از این دو کانال بازدید کنید و اگر خوشتون اومد حمایت کنید. این کانال جدیدش چند روزه بیشتر نیست که شروع به کار کرده و امیدوارم که خوشتون بیاد. ممنون میشم ازتون. خب بریم برای دریافت کدهای تب سواب با سریع ترین روش. خب ابتدا میان الان لایو زنده هم داره یوتیوب. میتونید از طریق این هم شما 2000 تا 500 تا ویدیو سکه دریافت کنید. خب همینطور که بهتون گفتم ابتدا میان داخل لیست این ویدیوهای تب سواب. الان 2 روزه نگرفتم که خیلی هم زیاده. 1-2 تا بهتون میگم و ادامهش رو بعد از اینکه لایکاش رو انجام دادم بهتون خواهم گفت. خب ابتدا از همین بالا شروع میکنیم. اگه این ویژگی رو گوشی شما داره که خیلی بهتر، اگه نداره که کارتون خیلی سخت میشه. این داخل تب سواب این مستقیم میره داخل یوتیوب. من برگه یوتیوب کوچیک میکنم. من میارمش این بالا. بذار اینم بیارم پایین که راحت تر دیده شه. خب منظور من این لایک های اینجا بود عزیزان. دونه بدونه باید ویدیوهاش رو لایک کنید. ابتدا تمام ویدیوهاش رو به این صورت لایک میکنید. خب بریم ویدیو بعدی.
Tappy activated. Hi there, crypto nuts. Let's talk about bit billions. I'll tell you about the 10 richest companies that were ahead of their time. Canada also has its Tappy activated. I hope you still have some space on your hard drives. More info about Gotbit is coming.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you will have a toolkit of methods to earn free crypto that you can use immediately. No tricks. Have you ever considered turning your hobby into a money-making machine? Imagine doing what you love and getting paid for it.
همینطور که میبینید به نوبت همش رو لایک میکنید و در آخر از یک طرف شروع میکنید سریع کداش رو میگیرید. یک لحظه من لایکاش انجام بدم و دوباره میام برای ادامه ویدیو.
Crypto that you can use immediately. No tricks, no scams, just light ways to boost your Bitcoin stash. So stick around because you don't want to miss this golden. Many influencers are constantly saying that you
بالا با این روش میتونید وقت کمتری برای ویدیوهای تب سواب بذارید. که مثل اینکه نت من یه خورده ضعیفه. برای بعدی
Imagine that there was somebody who had perfect memory and could consume and read.
Today, you will know how to get free products and samples from big name brands. No gadgets, no sneaky surveys, just pure, glorious beats delivered straight to your doorstep. And trust me, you'll want to hang out with me until the end because I'm about to drop some serious insider knowledge that you'll have swimming in a free stuff before you even know it. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started on our freebie journey. Let's roll. Let's take Nutella, for example. A quick message asking if they have any samples, and boom, coupons start rolling in. The same goes for brands like Cheetos, Jollibee, and even Tesla. Well, okay, maybe it's not a free card, but free merch is still a win to my book. The secret sauce here is being genuine. Companies love hearing from their loyal fans, and if you've got a good story or reason, they're often happy to hook you up with some freebies. For instance, if you're a die-hard Red fan, don't be shy. Let them know it, and let's keep it real. Not every company will say yes, but don't let a few no's get you down. Keep it in. You'll be surprised how many companies are willing to say something just to ask. Here's a little strategy to up your game. Do some homework. Look for companies that are new or launching a new product. They are usually more eager to get a word out and might be some genuine with freebies. Also, try timing your request around holidays or special events. Companies often have a little extra budget for those occasions. They might just be in the mood to say yes. And if you are not getting the response you are looking for through email, try to keep them on social media. Brands are often more responsible on platforms like X or Instagram because they know that everyone's watching. A well-placed tweet or DM can sometimes do wonders. And now,
و در آخر
where can you find those freebie gold mines? I've got few top spots you need to check out, which aren't just any random places. We are talking about platforms with partnership with major brands that can hook you up with some seriously awesome stuff. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to watch our previous videos. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our latest freebie finds. Happy freebie hunting.
تسک
And now let's begin
بعدی
the next video. Team Talking was with Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you will have a toolkit of methods to earn free crypto that you can use immediately. No tricks, no scams, just light ways to boost your Bitcoin stack. So stick around because you don't want to miss this golden opportunity. Next up, we've got Crypto Faucet.
دیگه من باقی تسکاش خودم میگیرم. فقط منظورم بهتون رسوندم که چجوری میتونید تسکای تپسا رو بگیرید. همین. اینم بگیرم و ویدیو رو تموم میکنم.
While they're a bit harder to find them now, there's still some out there. Remember, you are earning in drops, not flukes, so don't expect to retire on faucets earning alone. But hey, every little bit helps, right? If you have a smartphone, then you have a way to earn some free Bitcoin. Some apps like FreeCash, Bounce, and Coindeeply will reward you with Bitcoin for doing things you probably already do in your downtime, like taking surveys, watching videos, or even just sharing your internet bandwidth. And the best part, these apps are live and have paid out to its users time and time again. Let's talk about one of the juiciest ways to earn free crypto. So why not give it a try? You never know. Today's small earning could be tomorrow's huge fortune. If you found this video helpful, watch our previous videos, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out more ways to make money with crypto. Team Talking was with you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Together to the top.
به همین روش به همین سرعت میتونید شما ویدیوهای تپسا رو بگیرید. ممنون میشم ازتون. لایک کنید و خدا نگهدار.